Hi everyone. So in this video I'm going to be simplifying this exponential expression. Excuse me. The first thing you need to do when you see a problem like this, like I've always said, is to reduce to the least possible base. We have 8 here, we can reduce it. We have 4 here, we have 16 here. And the whole of this square root can be written. What I'm saying is if you have, say, a square root of a, can be written as a raised to power 1 over 2. All right. So now let's get started. So let me rewrite the whole of this. So if I rewrite it, I'm going to be having what? 8 raised to the power of 2 times 4 raised to power n plus 1, then divided by 2 raised to power 2n times 16. Then everything raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. So that is the implication of this. So now let's move on. So I can reduce 8 into this least possible base. That's 8 is basically what? 2 raised to power 3. So if I rewrite it down, 4 is also 2 raised to power 2 and stuff like that. So let's move on. So we have what? 2 raised to the power of 3. And this is raised to the power of 2. You put it in bracket 2. Then times 4, that is what? 2 raised to the power 2 into bracket n plus 1. Then everything over what? 2 raised to the power 2n, right? Times 16 is 2 raised to the power of what? 4. Then everything raised to the power what? 1 over 2. So if we continue, we can multiply the power from the law of indices. You need to recall that if you have what? A raised to the power m, then raised to the power of n, that will give us a raised to the power m times what? N. So this one will now turn to okay, let me write, that's 2 raised to the power what? 2 raised to the power 3 times 2, that is 6. Then times 2 raised to the power, this one will be what? 2 into bracket n plus 1. We are going to be using this 2 to open this. Then over what? 2 raised to the power 2n times 2 raised to the power of 4. Then everything raised to the power 1 over 2. So the next thing we do is we reduce. We have 2 raised to the power 6. Then times 2 raised to the power 2 times n, that is what? 2n. Then 2 times 1, that is plus 2. Then everything divided by what? 2 raised to the power of what? 2n, right? Times 2 raised to the power 4. Then raised to the power what? Half. So I've been able to reduce to its least possible base. So we need to recall something else too. And what is that thing? Is that what? When you have what? The same base. If you have a raised to the power n times what? A raised to the power m, we give you what? A raised to the power what? M plus n. So in this case, this base and this base are the same. So you can have it as 2 raised to the power what? 6 plus 2n plus 2. Then divided by this one will give us 2 raised to the power what? 2n, right? Plus what? 4, right? All raised to the power of what? Half. So let me use this other space here. So this one will now give us, if you look at this, 6 plus 2, that is 8. Then plus 2n. So we have 2 raised to the power 8 plus what? 2n. Then over what? 2 raised to the power of what? 2n plus what? 4. Right? Everything raised to the power what? Half. So there's another law that we're going to be applying. If you have the same base, they have the same base. If you have what? Recall again. That if you have what? A raised to the power n over what? A raised to the power m is the same thing as a raised to the power n minus what? M. Okay? So this one will now return what? 2 raised to the power what? Okay, let me rearrange. Instead of 8, okay, let me still leave it that way. 8 plus 2n, then minus everything into brackets 2n plus 4, right? Then everything raised to the power of what? Half. So this will now give us 2 raised to the power what? 8 plus 2n minus times 2n, that's minus 2n. Then minus times 4, minus what? 4, right? Everything raised to the power what? Half. So we're almost through. So we now have what? 2 raised to the power, let's collect like terms. 2n minus 2n, they cancel out. Then 8 minus 4, that is 2 raised to the power what? 4. Because 8 minus 4 will give us 4 raised to the power what? Half. Right? So 4 times half. Also recall, I know you must still remember that if you have a raised to the power n into bracket m, is the same thing as a raised to power what? N times m. So 2 raised to power 4 into brackets half will give you what? 2 raised to power 4 times 1 over 2. 2 here 1, 2 in 4, 2. So we now have what? 2 raised to power 2. So what is 2 raised to power 2? 2 raised to power 2 is equal to what? 4. So the final answer to this problem is 4. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. That's the only way you can encourage me to produce more of these, and I will appreciate that from you. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye.